What's going on, guys? So I'm here with Allie and we are shooting a one light backlit portrait with a V-flat and some Savage Universal fashion gray seamless back there. So basically what it's gonna look like is it's gonna split the scene in two, and this light's gonna come illuminate her face, bounce out the V-flat a little bit, create a little bit of kickback, and also create this nice crisp shadow. So in order to get that crisp shadow though, we've got the light all the way back in the corner and we've got her all the way to this side of the room as well, just so we have a lot of distance between it to kind of create that really, really nice crisp shadow. Another thing that I have on this background light here, I've got a 40-degree grid, and that's just to narrow the beam of light a bit so I don't have any light that falls onto this backdrop. I want to keep it dark gray, almost black, just to kind of keep that contrast in the image. So we're going to shoot a couple shots and then I'll go ahead and show you what they look like. So one thing that we want to keep in mind when we're posing for this shot is that if she looks this way, she loses all the features of her face in the shadow. Maybe a good shot, you know, just of her, but we want to kind of play with the shadow and her pose and combine them together to make a full image. So what we want to do is we want to, so go ahead and turn that way a little bit. So you can kind of see she's losing all the features. As she turns her face this way, you start to get those features back in her face. And that's what we really want for this shot. So again, it's just a 2-1 light setup. I'm not used to shooting one light setup. So it's a one light setup. We got a strobe with a 40-degree grid shining this way, just backlighting her a little bit. We have the 40-degree grid so we don't get any spill onto this background. It's bouncing a little bit of light back just to give a little kickback onto her face while also creating this shadow. So again, if you have questions or comments, leave those below, and I'll see you in the next one.